The next topic in the training is shading control. Use the magnifier glass to search for the DO12 module and activate the blind. You can choose between the blind and the roller shutters. The difference is that the blind has an angle. Please choose blind. Terminals are the outputs for direction up and direction down. Press on zone, living room, category, add new category. Please search for shading. Go back to blind 1. Press save. On the left side, as you can see, the category shading has been created. Next step will be to define the duration time till the blind moves up or moves down. Find service settings, scroll all the way down, and press Start Wizard. The wizard helps you to find the duration time until the blind goes all the way up or all the way down. Also, the duration time for the angle change, and the duration until the motor starts moving. The procedure is with the wizard that it puts the blind somewhere in the middle of the window. Please use a sticker and put it on the window, and that way you will be able to find the location of the blind. Then the wizard will repeat an action multiple times. For example, it will change the angle 20 times. If the blind stays lower than the sticker, that means the duration time is too long. If it stays higher than the sticker, that means the duration time is too short. Basically, the wizard finds you the correct time so you don't have to measure it. Use the magnifier glass to search for the push buttons. Go to push button 1, service settings, zone, living room, category, shading, save. Go to push button 2, service settings, zone, living room, category, shading. Press save. Now we're going to assign the push buttons to the blind. We go to add new smart rule, press on control blinds with up and down push buttons. There are 3 modes to choose from. The first one distinguishes short and long press of the button. A long press sends the blind all the way up or all the way down. A short press just changes the angle. The other modes are simpler. Go to control buttons direction up, and control buttons direction down. Press save. Now we can test it. We have the mode for a long and a short press. If I do a long press on this button, the blind will go all the way down. If I do a short press on this button, it will just change the angle. Next step, we're going to protect the blinds from a strong wind. For example, set the wind speed for 30 kilometers per hour. Here's the action definer, that means 0% that the blind will go up. Return back to normal after means that the blind will be blocked from returning back to automation or manual mode. We press on save. And now we can add a daily schedule, for example. Press on daily schedule. Daily schedule is a type of smart rule that able to combine absolute time and relative time based on sunrise or sunset. For example, we want that at 6 in the morning, the blinds will go up, and 1 hour after sunset, the blinds will go down. In the part, in period actions, we set the blinds level to be 0, and in the off period actions, we set the value to 100%. Now we can see the blind is its automatic control and is controlled by the daily schedule. You can see in the list of smart rules that the daily schedule is active and it is setting the position of the blind to 0%. Like before, with the thermostat, we can control the blind manually. And again, in manual override options, we can choose a type of manual control. And again, like before, we can click the capital letter M on the right-hand corner to put the blind back to auto mode.